Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about the Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus mobile full review specification and price. So let's start my video. 1,20,000 taka brand Huawei category smartphones added on 18th April 2024. Last update 1st July 2024. Release 2024 April 29. OS Harmony OS 4.2. Display 6.8 1260x 2844 pixels. Camera 50 megapixel 2160p. RAM 16 GB RAM. Kirin 9010. Battery 5050 mAh 100W 80W battery. OR rating. The overall rating is based on review by OR experts. Design 10 per 10. Connectivity 10 per 10. Display 10 per 9. Features 10 per 10. Performance 10 per 9. Battery 10 per 10. Camera 10 per 9. Usability 10 per 9. Pro and cons. Pros. Aluminium frame, silicon polymer back. LTPO OLED display with Conlon glass. 16 GB RAM and 512 GB 1TB storage. Triple camera with 50 megapixel, 13 megapixel selfie, 5050 mAh battery and 100W wide charging. Cons. FM is not supported. 3.5mm jack unavailable. No memory card slot. Specification. Expected price 1,20,000 taka. Launch announced 2024 April 18. Status available release 2024 April 29. Network technology GSM CDMA HSPA CDMA 2000 LTE 5G 2G bands GSM 850 900 1800 100 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2 dual SIM CDMA 800 3G bands HSGPA 800 850 900 1700 AWS 1900 2100 CDMA 2001X 4G bands LTE 5G bands SA per NSA speed HSPA LTE 5G body dimensions 162.6x 75.1x 8.4 mm 6.40x 2.96x 0.33 in weight 220 g 7.76 oz build glass front aluminum frame silicon polymer back eco leather SIM dual SIM nano SIM dual standby others IP68 dust water resistant up to 2 minutes for 30 minutes display type LTPO OLED 1B colors HDR 120 HZ 2500 nits peak size 6.8 inches 109.0 cm to 89.3% screen to body ratio resolution 1260x 2844 pixels 460 ppi density production Conlon glass Sueva tempered platform OS Harmony OS 4.2 chipset Kirin 9010 7nm CPU octa-core 1x 2.3 GHz and 3x 2.18 GHz and 4x 1.55 GHz GPU memory card slot internal 512GB 1TB RAM 16GB variant 16GB 512GB 16GB 1TB main camera triple 15 megapixel f 1.4 4.0 25mm wide 1 per 1.3 PDAF laser AF OIS 48 megapixel f per 2.1 93mm telephoto PDAF 5 cm OIS 3.5x optical zoom 12.5 megapixel f per 2.2 13 megapixel ultra wide features LED flash HDR panorama video 4K 1080p HDR gyro EIS OIS selfie camera single 13 megapixel f 2.4 ultra wide AF features panorama HDR video yes HDR sound loudspeaker yes with stereo speakers 0.5mm jack no connectivity Blend Wi-Fi 800 2.11 ABG and AC6 dual band Wi-Fi direct. Bluetooth 5.2 A2 DP LE L2HC. GPS 1 L1 plus L5 GLONASS L1 VDS B1 plus B1C plus B2A B2B Galileo E plus E1 plus E5A E5B QZSS L1 plus L5 NAC NAVIC NFC yes, FM radio no, USB Type C 3C 3.1 OTG display port 1.2 infrared port yes. Features sensors fingerprint under display optical accelerometer proxy gyro campus color spectrum BDS statal message battery type non removable lipo capacity 5050 mAh 1000 charging 100W wide 80W wireless 20W reverse wireless 18W reverse wired more made by China color black white silver models HBN AL10 HBN AL80 Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus is now available in the variants 512GB, 1TB, 16GB RAM. Now the Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus price is 1,20,000 taka in Bangladesh. Pura 70 Pro Plus has a 5050 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. The device is running with Harmony OS 4.2 and is powered by the Kirin 9010 S7nm chipset. Model Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus price 1,20,000 display 6.8 12 1260x 2844 pixels RAM 16GB ROM 512GB 1TB release 2024 April Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus highlight Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus will be launched in April 2024. The Pura 70 Pro Plus was launched with a model number HBN AL10, HBN AL80. Firstly, its dimensional measure is 162.6 x 75.1 x 8.4 mm and the weight is 220 grams. Secondly, the display of the Pura 70 Pro Plus is a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1260 x 2844 pixels resolution. The display is protected from the Conlon glass. Thirdly and most importantly, it is powered by Kirin 9010 S7nm chipset and running with Harmony OS 4.2. Moreover, it has up to an octa-core 1x 2.3 GHz and 3x 2.18 GHz and 4x 1.55 GHz CPU. Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus phone has a 3-camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 50 megapixel wide, 45 megapixel periscope telephoto and 12.5 megapixel ultra wide camera. It has a 13 megapixel selfie camera inside the notch of the display. The video recording capability is 4K 1080p HDR gyro EIS OIS. Its RAM and ROM have two 512GB 1TB 16GB variants. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD on using a dedicated slot. Currently, the Pura 70 Pro Plus has a 5050 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. It has a dual nano SIM card slot that is to say Pura 70 Pro Plus is 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G supportable. The fingerprint sensor is under the display. On the other hand, there is VLAN, Bluetooth, FM radio and USB port among the other features. Your question and or your opinion about the Pura 70 Pro Plus. Which question you will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There are including the major questions and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When will it be released? It will launch in April 2024. What is the price of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro? The price of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus is BDT 1,20,000 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has one variant with 16 GB in RAM and 512 GB 1 TB in ROM, but overall you can get three variants to 512 GB, 16 GB, 1 TB, 16 GB in the market. Which type of display panel is used in it? It comes with a 6.8 LTPO OLED display panel with a 1260 x 2844 pixel resolution. How are the processor and chipset? It contains a Kirin 9010 7nm chipset. What are the camera and video capability? The three camera setup on the back is for 48 megapixel plus 48 megapixel plus 12.5 megapixel and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. The video recording capability is 4K 1040 80p HDR, gyro, EIS and OIS. Does it support a 5G network? Yes, it supports a 5G network with 2G, 3G and 4G. What is the battery capacity? The battery capacity is a 50 mAh live polymer battery with 100 W fast charging. What sensor does this phone have? Fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass, color spectrum. Which country and company manufactured it? Huawei manufactured it, and this phone is made in China. Reason to buy. In this paragraph, we will describe the important measure to buy this. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let's start us. Find out some eligible things that are in Pura 70 Pro Plus. Or verdict. In conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 5G smartphone under 150k taka, then Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you have an attraction to online games like Free Fire and so on, then you can buy it because it has RAM and a well processor using the Kirin 9010 7nm chipset. If you want a big backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 5050 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 5G smartable smartphone, so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a 3 cam setup with a 50 megapixel primary camera, so it's the image and video capability may be well. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons, you can buy this. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।